Hi guys, welcome to another video, and this is quite unusual for me as this is the first unboxing video I'll be doing ever. Alright, so here with me I got the Samsung G-Track Pro microphone, and that's what I'll be unboxing for us today basically. So this is it right here. The box looks really nice uh, for what it does. So right here, let's go ahead and unbox this baby. It's pretty heavy, just a disclaimer right there, and another disclaimer, I bought this with my own money. Right, so let me go ahead and unbox. So in the box, you get another box that goes this way, and here I got the manual. I got USB cable. I got the Mochu Performer Lights access, and here I got the product registration card, and this is the boom arm mount that I can use to place on a boom arm, something like this that I can use for that. This dude right here, I can use for mounting uh, it to suspend it basically. And then of course, right here, I got the Samsung G-Track Pro microphone. So let me go ahead and move it right up. So here it's a pretty nice USB microphone, as I said earlier, and it's got a mute button, it's got a mic button, that's the microphone itself, it's got the instrument button, that is the lining here at the back, that's a quarter-inch lining, it's got the headphone out, and it's got the master volume. So pretty much this is a mixer on itself, and it has the polar pattern control here and the track setting. So I'll just go ahead and plug this right up to my Mac, and we'll see how it performs. Right, so I'm gonna put this box away here and place all these ones somewhere around here. Okay, so here we go. So I'm gonna hook this up to my Mac. So I'm gonna need the USB cable. I put it away all the time. Don't mind the noise and the clutter around here. I'm gonna put this away. So I'm gonna plug this in right here. So then I will bring this up here and hook it up to my Mac. So I'm gonna move this camera here so you can see everything I'm pretty much doing here. So I can move this out of the way, but of course don't look at that mic. That's the new NW800 that I'm not using for this recording. So I plug it in, and as you can see, I got the green light on. Oh, it's muted. Green light on means it's unmuted. Amber means it's muted, and then once it clips, it gets on red. And yeah, let me just go ahead and describe all that in a real life recording. So I'm gonna launch Audacity right here. So this is Audacity, and all the recording you'll be hearing are actually gonna move now to the Samsung G-Track Pro. So you see the Samsung G-Track Pro right here, select it as your audio source. I can also select it as my output device. That means I have to plug in a microphone, a headset to the hand here at the 3.5mm jack. Right, so I'm just gonna place this baby down here, and I'll click on start recording. Right, so pretty much now if I click on start on mute. Welcome guys, this is the Samsung G-Track Pro USB professional microphone, and it's awesome and nice to actually demo this to you today. I can go on and increase the volume here, and you see the difference. As I move closer, I get some rich bass audio coming off that, but outside of that, I can also move a distance away from it and it still captures my audio really, because in most scenarios this is how I'll be sitting when I'm doing the recording, and it will capture the audio all around me. So now I have some polar patterns on the microphone that captures different modes for capturing the input from the user. So let me actually go ahead and put that close up to the camera. So right here I have the mic volume. So I was talking about the polar pattern rather. So here I have the cardioid mode that captures audio right from the front of the microphone, and if I move it around here, you hear less of my audio coming in. And if I go to figure 8 mode, I can capture audio richly from the front, a little or nothing from the side, and something really good from the back. And if I go the omni mode, it means I can capture audio from all around with ease. As you can see, as I'm turning around, I'm getting audio from all around the setting. But mostly, the setting I'll be using for this would be in the cardioid mode. So the cardioid mode is where I'll be using mostly, because I'll be placing this on the table and then doing my recording straight up into it, sitting somewhere like this, doing all my recording and screencast and all sorts. And this is just a review. It really sounds good. I've been using it for a couple of days and it's a really good device. I like the quality it actually gives me for recording, and it's really, really chill. So guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you like to see other videos like this, if you like to see me unboxing some more stuff, just let me, because I actually have a couple of some more I can do here. I got this right here, and I got this Echo Show 8 that I still need to unbox. So I'm just waiting to be done with all these videos and then boom, 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 upload them up for you. So give me a thumbs up if you like this video, share with your friends, also subscribe so you get notifications when I post new videos up on this channel. Thanks very much for watching. Bye.